Tired of watching your crypto passively sit while you miss out on lucrative trades? Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison of two popular crypto trading bots, Bloom and Bullx, to see which one deserves a spot in your investment arsenal. First up, Bloom. Notice its intuitive design. It's designed for beginners, showing your essential trading data. It focuses on clarity with simple graphs and pre-built strategies, allowing you to get started quickly without extensive coding knowledge. You can easily customize your risk settings and choose from various trading pairs. Now, let's look at Bullx. Bullx caters to more experienced traders. It offers a comprehensive range of technical indicators and advanced customization options. You can tweak intricate parameters, implement complex strategies, and backtest your configurations rigorously before deploying them. Let's break down the key differences. Bloom excels in ease of use and simplicity, ideal for passive investors. Bullx, on the other hand, provides much more flexibility and power for active traders to create unique strategies. Compare the fees of each platform, making sure it aligns with your portfolio budget. Bloom is great for those who want a hands-off approach, while Bullx shines for those who want more control and advanced customization. Research and test both bots to determine which aligns best with your investing goals and trading skill level.